At first I'm going to cook about 3 cups of some pasta noodles, or any type of noodles. I think I'm gonna do 3 cups. I may add more, we'll see. Again, I salted my water with my pink Himalayan salt. I'm gonna melt some butter. Okay, I added my little frozen steak fajitas in. I'm gonna cook that down a few minutes. Drain off my pasta. I reserved a little less than a cup of the pasta water. Added in some peppers and onions. Black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, a little Cajun seasoning, hing, just because I put it on everything. I'm gonna add just a little drizzle of the pasta sauce, not much, a little bit. We're gonna let that cook down some. Okay, so that pasta water has got it good and thickened. Now we're gonna add a little bit of plant-based heavy cream. Stir that in to combine. Go ahead and add your cooked pasta. Now would be a good time to add in some more seasonings if you want. I'm gonna add in some plant-based Parmesan. So I added in a whole bag of plant-based mozzarella. That'll do it. Plate it up.